Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to install and uninstall apps on your Shopify store. Now, all you have to do once you're inside Shopify, guys, is simply click on the settings on the left hand side, and you will be able to find a section that says apps and sale channel. So once you click on that, you will see all the apps that you have on your Shopify store. And I just want to quickly show you, if you want to uninstall any app, you will be doing it from this section. Just simply click the three dots towards the right hand side and you will find the option to uninstall. You can quickly uninstall apps there. And I'm going to show you how to do this when I install the app. Now, to install apps, you want to go to where it says Shopify App Store. Click on that. It's going to take you into a new window where you can basically find apps and here. So you can search for apps based on categories, or you can search using the search bar here. So if I click the drop down here, you can see different categories and so forth, right? So you can click on them. So I'm going to click on one category here, and you will see that you will be able to find apps. Now, you can see apps that are actually free and apps that are actually offering a free trial, and you can easily spot these where it shows right next to the star rating. It will show you if it's free or if it's free trial and something like that. So here you can see, for example, these ones are free trial. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how I would basically install that. So let's do the Facebook and Instagram. So I'll click on that, for example, and here it will basically show me some video, how it's gonna look and all those different stuff. You can see images here, you can scroll down, you can read about it and so forth, right? Tell you that it's free to install. You get all the information, ratings and all those good stuff. So to install it is super easy. All you have to do really is simply click on install. And here it will just basically ask you to install again. So you click on install, and all you have to do is just simply click on OK. This is basically it, guys. It is installed right now on your Shopify store, and you will see how you can set it up and all those good stuff. On the left hand side, you will be able to see it as well under the section, so you can click on it, you can go anywhere on it, and you can even expand the apps, and you will be able to see it as well where it shows you this section where you're clicking up. So it's very easy to actually do and to find, and you can just start configuring it from here. And that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and install apps. Now, as I said, I'm going to show you how to uninstall it. So if you're on your Shopify store, go to the settings, and you will want to go back to the same steps, which is basically the apps and sales channel. You will find that apps install on your store, and you can uninstall them by clicking the three dots. Then go to uninstall, click on uninstall. Just go ahead and say, I understand the risk. And you can just choose whatever, it's really up to you if you want to select something. And yeah, go ahead and do that, then click uninstall, and you'll be able to uninstall it. And that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and install and uninstall apps on your Shopify store.